Okay, so talking about the Grafana, so this is the Node-RED part. Now we are also showing the graphs in a dashboard in Grafana. So this is our Grafana. The username is admin and the password is prom operator. So let me sign out. It's admin and password is prom operator. This is the password. When we sign in, if we go to like connections, you can see data sources. So we have this InfluxDB configured, and we have a dashboard here, smart agriculture. So this is our dashboard. Let's make it 5 minutes, and let's refresh it every 5 seconds. So we can actually change our farm location, farm ID. So these things are done if we go into the edit mode. Okay, if we go into settings, there is this variables here. You can see the farm ID, area ID, and livestock. So these are the queries. Let me open this. So you can see I am schema.tag values. So the bucket name is SE for IoT for our influx. You can find the bucket name here by clicking buckets. Yes, you can see this is the kind of bucket we have, and the organization that we have is, I think,
And the bucket is like, what is it named for? Like
Univac. Okay, so the bucket is basically this buckets you can see here. It's like the tables in your database.
Okay.
So you can have. So we are storing.
Monitoring is also a bucket. Tasks
Yeah.
is also a bucket.
You can create another bucket as well. We are storing the bucket in SF for IoT. So in Grafana, we say the bucket name, and we say the tag for which tag we want to parse the values, and it will show you a preview here at the end. The values are 1 and 2. So now if we go back to the list, we did it same for farm ID, area ID, and livestock. And as we have these variables, they will appear at the top. Like we can select any of them. There is a multi-select option, but I intentionally disabled it because the charts doesn't look good with multi-select. So we have this humidity, we have this light intensity, temperature, soil moisture, and livestock. So now, as these are actually changing every 5 seconds, we can also, and let's say we want to monitor the cow, so it shows some labels here. So for each chart, if you do a edit, you will see you can type the query to fetch the data using some field. Like our field is humidity, and here we say the title as humidity that maps here, and this area 1 you see it comes from here. So area display name, this is the display name. If I remove it, you can see the data will come like this: humidity, then area ID, and farm ID. But this doesn't look good. For that reason, I have put area, and with this dollar and brackets, if you put field labels and then the name, these are the labels: area ID, farm ID, and which label I want to show. I want to show just area ID. So if I put this, now it becomes area ID here. And we can change some color palettes like classic. You can put other colors, but the thing with classic is it can be changed with the threshold that you set. So here we can set a threshold, like we can set a threshold and show it in the UI. So it's set as off. So you can see we have put the threshold of humidity as 80. Now it appears as a line here. So let's save the dashboard. Let's go back to the culture. Here it's the light intensity. So less than 15,000 means it's night, and more than 15,000 means it's daytime. So that's how I have set the like threshold here, and I have made some changes. Let me show. So this is the 15,000 or threshold. Now you select classic palette, and in the threshold you can see show threshold as field regions and lines dashed. So the line is a dashed, and this is a field region
Mm-hmm.
above the threshold. And this temperature, it has a different chart. It has a gauge. Um, so you can see there are different threshold we have set, like from 0 to 10 it's blue, from 10 to 30 it's green, from 30 and up it's yellow, and from 40 and up it's red.
Right.
Yep. Same for this soil moisture thing, and here is our livestock heart rate. So we could have shown these things with a couple of like things, but I think it's better to show it like this so that you can allocate more space for the user. So yeah,